So we have been discussing about marriage and its contemporary trend. The issue is that why marriage ends, and we have discussed a number of reasons. Now, Allen and Crow, what they are saying, dear friend, that marriage ends because of absence of meaningful companionship. So issue is not compatibility, issue is companionship. So when meaningful companionship is absent, marriage is going to end. So many of us, we marry as per compatibility. Like doctors, they marry with doctors. Lawyers, they prefer a lawyer. Bureaucrats, they prefer a bureaucrat. But on many times, it happens that compatibility is there, but you are not there. During time of joy, happiness, emotional support is not there. So two doctors, dear friend, they are compatible to each other, but more often they are absent to support each other. And such absence of meaningful companionship, it leads to divorce. That is how marriage ends.